A hospital photo call to launch NHS reform didn't go exactly to plan for David Cameron and Nick Clegg earlier when an irate doctor stormed in.
Sorry, just a minute. Excuse me, I'm the senior orthopaedic surgeon in this department. Why is it that we're all told to walk around like this, and these people that object to it?
You can talk to me about it.
No?
Why don't you...
I still mean it.
No, absolutely. No, I agree. Because we're all taking our ties off. I think
We'll come back.
I'm not having it. Out!
It seems he was upset that proper hygiene rules were not being observed. The Prime Minister and his deputy are at Guy's Hospital in London to tell an audience of doctors and nurses there'll be substantial changes to government plans to shake up the NHS. The coalition has backtracked after opposition from healthcare professionals and opinion polls, which showed voters were less than enthusiastic about wholesale reform.